Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of our Legal Affairs podcast. Today we're diving into the latest drama around President Trump's pick for Attorney General, Todd Blanche. It's fresh out of Washington, and it has all the ingredients you'd expect: a rocky hearing, a looming vote that could sink the nomination, and a controversy that's raising questions about a massive fund and tax immunity for the president's family. Todd Blanche is no stranger to the Justice Department. He served under Trump for years, and on April 12 he was thrust into the acting AG role after the president fired Pam Bondi for not acting quickly enough in pursuing cases Trump called enemies. Now the president has officially nominated him to finish the job, but the confirmation process is anything but smooth. The big showdown happened on Wednesday during the Senate Judiciary Committee hearing. Republican Senator John Cornyn, of Texas, fired up a flying question-and-answer session. Cornyn is a former judge, and he brought a poster to the podium that spelled out a tax provision tied to a $1.8 billion settlement fund. That fund, according to the reporting, was created to reimburse alleged victims of department persecution. It was born out of a lawsuit that Trump had filed demanding at least $10 billion from the IRS over the leak of his tax returns. But the money story doesn't end there. Cornyn also pressed Blanche on a related agreement that grants President Trump and his family sweeping immunity from future tax investigations. He pointed out that Trump had not signed any written document that would actually wipe the fund away, and he made that point in front of the entire Senate chamber. When asked what he thought, Cornyn said, "I don't have to make a decision now, so I'm not. He'll weigh in later." That single no from a Republican on the Judiciary Committee will block the nomination entirely. The committee is divided, with Senator Tom Tillis of North Carolina still undecided but throwing a tentative nod in the direction of a yes. Meanwhile, the committee lost a key ally last weekend when Senator Lindsey Graham died in a tragic helicopter crash. Republicans now have to find a replacement and determine when to vote on Blanche. The whole episode in a way reflects a larger question about the future of the Department of Justice. If Blanche gets confirmed, he could serve in an acting capacity for the rest of Trump's term, but the confirmation debate turns on more than just his record. It's about the president's vision of the department as a tool that projects his power and extends his will. The Bush administration, T.